Right, so in this video I'm going to review the AltBalaji app. So AltBalaji have recently come up with an Android version of their app, which is compatible for Android television. So AltBalaji app is free to download from Google Play Store on Android TVs. They come inbuilt on a lot of streaming devices. Uh, Otherwise, you can install AltBalaji on your Android or iPhone or iOS devices and then cast your favorite shows from your mobile phone onto the television. So this one is a version 1.6.0 of AltBalaji on Android TV, downloaded free of charge from Google Play Store. And in this video I'm going to cover what all can you expect on AltBalaji app. What are the shows, what are the movies, how much does it cost outside India, the interface of the app, and a few more things. So stay tuned. If you have any questions which is related to this particular app or any other app which can be installed, downloaded on smart television, Android televisions, put in your comments and I'll be happy to reply to your comments. Yeah, like my videos and subscribe to my channel because I keep on providing similar reviews of many apps that should take place on your television. Right, so let's come back to AltBalaji app. So if you see the app, it's categorized as AltBalaji original series. There are a lot of TV shows that are created only by AltBalaji and are and available exclusively only under AltBalaji app. They would not be available on YouTube or under any other apps. So you have to come and subscribe to AltBalaji to be able to see that. So Fitrat, Fixer, Nanavati case, Word Item, and these are some of the famous shows that are on this app. You can have a look. I'll go through them slowly so that you have an idea of what you can expect on. So Barish is one of the popular shows on AltBalaji, as in that's an AltBalaji original show. Then BCL, Bollywood Celebrity League, that's on AltBalaji app as well. Punch and a few more shows. Yeah, so these are all AltBalaji original shows. I'll quickly come on movies that you can expect and then on the subscription charges. I won't be able to play any of these at the moment because it will cause copyright issues. This is just to give you an idea of what you can expect on the app, how many shows, things that you how many. So this is the list in a way. Comedy shows, this is the categorization, and this is what you can expect. Stand-up comedies, AltBalaji comedy shows. Yeah, okay, so here is the list. Yeah, some of them are free of charge, so if you download the app you would be able to still see them without subscribing and paying to them, whereas most of them, the good ones, are all uh, charged, so you have to pay them and take a subscription. This is how you can search. Yeah, so they have a search feature on their app. Movies, this is the list of movies. Mostly these are movies which have been produced by Balaji Telefilms. So, and they would be on YouTube or they would have been come on television already by this time. So they don't have a huge collection of movies, I would say. So that's not the reason why you should subscribe to AltBalaji, but they are free. These movies are free to watch. Then subscription, how much does it cost? So at the moment there is some promotion running, and that should be charging you $13, $12.99 for 12 months, or $5, $4.99 for 3 months. Yeah, and they run this promotion almost entire year, so it's not something to run after. If you need promo code, just put in your comments and I should be able to provide you some current promotional code that should give you some discount. Yeah, and bear in mind, as it says a small star at the bottom, you can see these subscriptions are auto renewable subscription. That means that after 12 months they will again charge you, and that will not be at the discounted rate. So make sure that you cancel auto renew, yeah, from the app. You would be able to do that. You can and then you can save your shows as favorites, and these are the setting options. So languages, I think this is the app language, what you want to see the instructions in what language, but mostly it's all Hindi. Yeah, there's nothing else apart from Hindi. Subtitles, if you want to have subscribed titles in Hindi or English, that's the option given to you. Yeah. Okay, so that's quite straightforward. You can either install it on your TV and cast it. You will need to have Google Cast or Chromecast, and your mobile device and your television have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. That's one way of watching it. Otherwise, if you have an Android TV, you can download the app and then just log in with your subscription details. It would be your email address and password. You can watch it at your convenience whenever you want. Some shows are free, most of them are paid, so you need to have subscription for that. If you have any questions on this app, I've done reviews for Z5, TVF Play, Hotstar, and others as well, Netflix, Amazon Prime. I keep on doing reviews of a lot of apps that should be taking part on your smart television or Android television. If you have any questions, post in your comments. I'll be happy to respond to them, and subscribe to my channel so that you remain updated with similar videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.